Welcome to sureshbhattclasses. We are solving question on numbers. Our question is, which of the following numbers is a perfect square? The given options are option A, 62 factorial multiplied by 63 factorial. Option B, 63 factorial multiplied by 64 factorial. Option C, 64 factorial multiplied by 65 factorial. Option D, 65 factorial multiplied by 66 factorial. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. In the given question, we have to select a number which is a perfect square and the other number on splitting becomes a perfect square, and we solve one by one 62 factorial and 63 factorial. None of these two are perfect square. 62 is not perfect square and 63 is not perfect square. Option B, the number 63 is not perfect square, but 64 is a perfect square. So one number may be out of these four, that will be number at B, and number at C is 64 factorial and 65 factorial. Here 64 is a perfect square, but 65 is not a perfect square. So C can be the one of the numbers which can be a perfect square, and D, 65 factorial and 66 factorial, both 65 and 66 are not perfect square. So this cannot be the answer. Now we solve number at option B, 63 factorial multiplied by 64 factorial. Now 64 factorial can be splitted into 63 factorial and 64. So we write it as 63 factorial and 64 multiplied by 63 factorial. 64 factorial can be written as 64 into 63 factorial. Now 63 factorial multiplied by 63 factorial becomes 63 factorial square, and 64 can be written as 8 square. So the complete this number is 8 multiplied by 63 factorial whole square. So this number is a perfect square. And option C cannot be splitted like this. 64 is a perfect square, but 65 cannot be splitted in such a way so that it becomes a perfect square. So the only number at option B becomes a perfect square. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 63 factorial into 64 factorial. I hope you have understood the concept and method of solving such type of questions. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.